Hello everybody and welcome to this new video about creating a virtual private network. So one of the first things that we need to know is what is the purpose of the VPN. Maybe we would like to interconnect users that are outside of the organization with internal resources, or maybe we would like to interconnect different sites between each other. Additionally, we have to consider how many users we are going to support. And this is critical, this is essential, because depending of these two factors, you can determine what kind of VPN you are going to use. In this example, we are going to interconnect the headquarters located in Quebec with a branch located in Tampa. So in this case, we're going to use a site-to-site VPN. So the second thing that we need to consider is our cryptographic recipe. This is very important before going directly to the configuration. Determine what kind of technology, what kind of algorithm we're going to use for hashing, we're going to use for authentication, key exchange, lifetime, and encryption. In this case, for phase 1 or ISCAM, we have the parameters that we're going to use on router 1 located in headquarters Quebec and Tampa. Next, we have to define phase 2 for this particular example that we're going to use site-to-site VPN, and additionally, we have to define if we are going to use authentication header, what kind of header we're going to use, or ISP header, and additionally, we have to define our peer, and for sure we have information about encryption algorithm that we're going to use for or the router or the server VPN server is going to use for encrypt the packet. So this is very important that you can define your cryptographic recipe before putting your hands on the CLI, on the VPN server, the VPN router. Okay, this performance is very important because you can have excellent physical equipment, excellent routers, excellent cloud resources, but if your bandwidth is not good enough, you're probably going to face troubles with your VPN connection. Additionally, bandwidth is not enough. You will need to also consider the latency for certain services depending on what. And almost finally, we have the infrastructure. You have to decide whether your VPN server is going to be physical or it's going to be on the cloud. Okay, you have to decide what is best for your scenario and consider redundancy to avoid single point of failure. So you need to know the performance before buying a specific physical equipment. You can have access to these reports. So in this case, I'm showing a report from Mircam from August 2015 about ISR 4331 and its performance.